Whew, I almost forgot the most important thing for my trip. Earplugs. Now I just gotta pack. Okay, what's up YouTube? It's Davey Greenberg of DavyDoes, and I'm heading off on another backpacking adventure across Asia. A lot has changed in the way I travel since the last time I did one of these videos, and I want to go over some new and improved packing tips. Quickly, let's go over the clothes that I pack. I try to keep it pretty light, keep it minimal, use a lot of materials that are quick dry, things that I can just wash in a sink. So I always wear my heaviest clothes on the plane with me. It's usually cold, so I'm wearing sweatpants, a sweatshirt, I might even wear a vest, I got my hat on, and I'm good to go. So here's a quick look of all the clothes I'm bringing on this trip.
1 pair quick dry pants, 2 cotton tees, swimsuit, flip-flops, 2 pair running shorts, 3 quick dry tees, 1 vest and 1 parka, socks, undies, a long sleeve athletic tee, and a raincoat.
And speaking of clothes, I just want to highlight these. These are way too radical. In hostels, you always need like flip-flops and stuff for the showers because you don't want to walk in there with bare feet. And I found these guys. I can't even pronounce them, but I'll put a link in the bio. And yeah, they're just totally flat, and you just pop them together like this. Bam, you got flip-flops. All right. First things first, I never go anywhere without my hydro flask. It's necessary. Secondly, there's a few things that I need in order to make these videos for you. So I need the iPhone to shoot, and then I need, unfortunately, to bring this with me. I'm still using a 2011 MacBook Air. This is perfect for traveling. It's super tiny, it's super light. My Sony a7 III. I just switched from the a7S II to the a7 III. It's really light, it's really easy. At the end of the day, I love a great controlled photo. So this is still coming with me. Now I have this great Peak Design water and weatherproof case around it. So when I'm traveling, it feels much safer, still compact. Just pull these little things and it's good to go. This new little Manfrotto Pixie. This thing is so easy. It's a really sturdy tripod, and it's great for my camera, for my iPhone, Manfrotto Pixie. Warby Parker is my go-to for sunglasses. I need a prescription, so keep these bad boys with me. A lot of traveling, can't go anywhere without my Kindle. This one I am excited about. DJI Mavic Air.
Cap and a stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday.
I just got it this week, so I'm still learning it. But I think what a better place to learn to fly a drone than some amazing islands and locations all over the world. So can't wait to bust this bad boy out in Hong Kong. And then see where it takes me from there. I'm an analog photo junkie. My new toy, Yashica TAF. Kodak Portra 400, it's a Kodak Ektar 100. When I'm traveling, I always like to shoot color, just cause you never know when you're gonna run into an amazing forest or neon sign or amazing outfit. So color film, Yashica TAF, keeping it analog. Passport always right around my neck, and one of these little radiation blocking pouches from REI. Super important to bring a rain cover for your backpack. So this little guy is my Osprey rain cover. Weighs nothing, takes up no space. Like I said, these are prescription glasses and they do get beat up. So I got me a little screwdriver kit. Altoids, critical, tastes like home. I'm bringing a whole jar of Max Ultra Soft earplugs this time. I'm always losing earplugs. I'm always trying to steal earplugs from the hostel. So why not just bring a bunch? Eye mask, stole this from a Delta flight, works great. Quick dry towel. Anyone who stays in hostels know you gotta bring your own locks a lot of the time. First aid kit, duh. A headlamp. I don't plan on going camping or doing any wilderness adventures, but this is always great to have in hostels when you're reading or looking for something. Some hostels just have really crappy lighting situations. Little journal from Muji, write all my thoughts in. neck pillow. I like these inflatable ones. I just hook it on to my backpack and I'm good to go. Outlet adapters. I'm bringing a whole handful. One is the multi-adapter, one is the Asia adapter, and one is the London adapter because in Hong Kong, they use a London adapter. Portable charger for my iPhone, my Anchor, can't get enough of these. This little adapter is great. It'll connect many of my devices to my iPhone so I can get media from my drone or from my camera right onto the internet. Last but not least, I'm typically not much of a water adventurer, but I'm trying to make it a point to do some things that push my comfort zone a bit and try out some water stuff. I want to go swimming with whale sharks in the Philippines and in Palawan. All there is to do is amazing water adventures. So I got one large waterproof bag for all my things and then a much smaller waterproof device bag for my iPhone. Okay, I'm good to go. Got my backpack. One, and my little bag. Throw in the front. It's pretty easy. Good to go.